What we see in this image is a phenomenon known as sprites or red goblins, luminous discharges that take place in the mesosphere and appear fleetingly. In other words, the probability of encountering one of them is low. If you like the content about natural phenomena, don't forget to subscribe and give like. Your support is very important to continue sharing fascinating information. For centuries, these slashes were the territory of myth and superstition. Those who claimed to have seen lights in the sky during a storm were often marked as exaggerated. It was not until 1989 that science succeeded in confirming its existence. A group of researchers from the University of Minnesota accidentally captured the first visual record of a sprite while testing a camera for a rocket mission. Thereafter, the phenomenon was officially incorporated into the catalog of known atmospheric events. Since then, various space agencies, including NASA and ESA, have closely followed their appearance. In the last decade, the International Space Station has allowed them to be observed from a privileged point of view. From space, the red goblins are revealed as luminous filaments that branch vertically. They extend like a kind of suspended fire tree on Earth. These observations have helped confirm that this is an electrical manifestation linked to the activity of storms. However, it occurs far above where the common rays develop. Although the name goblins suggests something fantastic, the explanation is completely physical. Sprites originate when a very intense electrical storm generates a powerful electric field. That energy causes an excitement of nitrogen atoms, which produces a brief emission of light. Its characteristic red tone is due to how nitrogen reacts to that discharge. The physicist Ning-Yu Liu describes that a sprite is not a simple spark. It has a very complex structure, formed by thousands of plasma filaments that extend in different directions. These filaments can reach tens of kilometers in length. Even if their life is almost instantaneous, they last a thousandth of a second. Sprites belong to a group of broader phenomena known as transient luminous events, or TLE. They all occur above storms. They represent an unexplored border between meteorology and high-energy physics. The fascination with capturing them has grown in recent years. Capturing a red goblin in a photograph requires an exceptional combination of luck, technique, and patience. Specialized photographers often use high-sensitivity cameras,